Today I am going to share some Design 101 on wallpaper. We're going to go over all 4 substrates of Spoonflower, which is my favorite wallpaper. So this first substrate is Peel and Stick. It's probably the most popular. It's a paper-based product and it has an adhesive back. It's very tear resistant, it's fray resistant, and it's really good for doing small DIY projects. Crafts. You could do the back of a bookshelf or the inside of a cabinet. It's really easy to stick on the wall. It's also easy to move around once it's on it, which is really nice. It has a nice matte finish, so it feels a little bit more modern. One of the other things that I really like about it is that it's eco-friendly. It doesn't have formaldehyde, phthalate, or PVC. You do want to keep in mind the surface that you're putting this on. The best is going to be a smooth, flat, non-textured surface for the best adhesion and adjustability while you're doing your project. The second substrate is pre-pasted. A lot of people also use this. It's probably the second most popular. It's very easy to install as well. It's a bit more permanent, so you want to be careful, but it's not going to damage your walls, which is great. It's really durable. It's water activated, so the adhesive is on the back and you just add water and that's what makes it sticky. It's fully removable, it's fully recyclable, and you just want to be careful of what walls you're putting it on. You don't want to put it on textured walls or walls that have scrubbable paint on them because it's just not going to stick as well. And I really love this for a little pop in an entryway or in a powder room. So this one is your non-pasted traditional Pebble, and it's really what most people think of when they think of wallpaper. When you see wallpaper in a hotel, this is probably what it is. Fancy hotels, it's got this subtle leather texture, which is kind of nice, matte finish, so it feels nice and modern, and it's very, very durable. It's really perfect to decorate your home, but also durable enough to use in commercial spaces. And I just really love that it looks and feels like it's a professional quality grade product. So just remember that this is a paste activated wallpaper, so you definitely want a professional to do the install on this. It is resistant to mold, to mildew, to water. It's scrub and scratch resistant. So it's great for playrooms, bathrooms, restaurants, office space, my headquarters, and I really wish you guys could feel the difference between these 3 different substrates. So the traditional Pebble, the water activated smooth, and then the Peel and Stick, because they're all so different. Last but not least is Spoonflower's newest product. It's grass cloth, and it is 100% handcrafted. It's a natural sisal wallpaper, and it's very tactile. It's got a lot of texture, a lot of different variations, different striations. It's very, very unique. Every piece is. You're going to have irregularities in the texture, in the color, in the weave, and it's just got this really luxurious finish. It's going to add a nice little elegant touch to your walls. It really has a little bit of a subtle but natural luster to it, again, which is going to vary in different lights, in different areas, just depending where you're putting it up on the walls. You may have seen solid or single tone grass cloth wallpaper before, but the unique thing about Spoonflower is they can print any design that you want in this grass cloth wallpaper with their design services. The grass cloth substrate is definitely recommended for lower traffic areas, so maybe a formal dining room or an accent wall, definitely dry spaces, so no bathrooms that have showers or tubs. Paste is required, so it's highly recommended that you have a professional install it. You guys, this is how you pamper your walls. It's like they're getting hair and makeup and a pedi every day. I have 2 of these particularly featured in my projects, and they are just so beautiful and so unique because of it. When installed, the seams will be visible on the grass cloth. There's going to be variations between the batches that are printed, and that's just due to the manufacturing process, but that's what makes them each unique and special. This one, how stunning is this one? So I used this in Charlotte Hall in our little coffee bar, and it just looked so pretty. The texture is amazing, so one of my favorites. But I want to make sure you guys visit spoonflower.com to learn more about all 4 of the substrates. You can also click the link in the bio to check out my Mina's picks. It's my collection. It's all my favorites. It's independent artists, a lot of which are actually from my home state of Indiana, so that's super fun. Any of these designs, any design that they have available, they can print on demand in any 4 of these substrates. So it's just extremely easy to use. They even have a wallpaper calculator that'll help you figure out how many square feet you're going to need for your project, for your ordering. So make sure after you guys transform your space to post your pictures on social media, tag me, tag Spoonflower, because we're really excited to see what you come up with.